So this is utility work, but it's being done in conjunction with the State and Lake L modernization. So this gentleman has to keep starting this tamper over and over. I don't know what's going on with it. I am. Let's keep it moving. I'm good here. I'm out of the way. Downtown Chicago is nothing but a construction site these days. Traffic reroutes like you wouldn't believe. but got all kinds of projects going on. So a lot to do with this modernization. I'm sitting out in traffic and the police keep asking me if I'm okay, and I tell them I'm fine and they let me go. But I just wanted to show you that downtown Chicago is pretty chaotic. So if you're coming down to State Street, be ready. Are you guys empty? Are you empty?
Yes.
Hey, where'd you guys come from today? Oh, you guys are in the city?
Yeah, Laramie and Grant.
Oh, well, not far away. Have a good day, man. So out here in the middle of State Street, they are putting steel plates over freshly poured concrete so it can cure for the next few days. But you wouldn't believe how often you see these steel plates out on the streets in Chicago. They are pretty much forever working on the streets. That is so loud. They've been out here all day today, so they dug a trench, laid conduit, and then had to fill it back in, all while dealing with all this traffic. This is such a chaotic scene. You wouldn't believe how many people want to come down here and just honk and honk and honk. But this is putting the last plate down. The concrete will be covered so they can open it back up and let cars drive over it. But this is all part of the construction process here.
Hey Greg, come around in here and I'll fight over here and lay on that cold pad in that hole.
I'm gonna say it again, man. It is so chaotic down here. There's just so much action. There was police activity and all this construction, crossing the intersection a bunch of times. I really enjoy being down here. I don't know what you guys think about me documenting it so often, but this is a historic construction project in downtown Chicago. So I don't know. I feel like I have to be here documenting it. This will be considered archival footage someday. But if you see, they've got blacktop there. They're spreading it out so it gives a little bit of a ramp to get up to the plates. That way you're just not driving over a plate. I don't know. Never really thought anything about it, but they started doing that. But downtown Chicago, right here by the Lake Street stop. So you've got quite a few bus lines going through here. So all of that with this construction makes it a extremely busy place. But I hope you guys like this footage. Taped in. Always got to tape off the construction site at the end of the day to keep put down these steel plates. And if you notice, bus driving right over them. All traffic will be driving right over that because they don't have to sneak through between there anymore. But just showing you guys how these steel plates are pretty effective to construction work here.